Number 6 is asking what is the exact value of cosine of 5 pi over 6. So when you're asked to find the exact value of 5 pi over 6, we might want to convert it temporarily back into degrees from radians by multiplying 180 over pi just to see where it is. And so we actually know this is 150 degrees, so that would be in quadrant 2. And so 150 is actually, so this is exactly where the location of 5 pi over 6 is, 150. And let's write down the degrees as well. So from here, we actually need to find the reference angle. The reference angle is actually closer to 180 degrees, so the reference angle theta prime is equal to 180 minus the actual angle, which is 150, or the reference angle is 30 degrees. There's also another way to do this using the radian terms, which is pi minus 5 pi over 6, and converting both back into same common denominator. We got 6 pi minus 5 pi, which is 1 pi over 6. And then you can also convert that back into 30 degrees, or we could do it in degrees terms. So whatever is easier for you. So now since we found the reference angle is actually pi over 6 right here, we can actually find the value that is corresponding to that. So since we're looking for the cosine of 5 pi over 6, and we can find the cosine of pi of the reference angle, which is pi over 6. And since we know that pi over 6 is actually equivalent to 30 degrees, we already found it here, we can draw a 30, 60, 90 degree and actually draw the ratio of the triangles. So that would be a 1 radical 3 and 2 ratio. And so the cosine of pi over 6 is equal to the cosine of 30 degrees, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that is actually radical 3. Adjacent to the 30 degrees is radical 3 over hypotenuse is 2. So since we know the value of that is going to be radical 3 over 2, we know that the cosine of 5 pi over 6 would also have a value of radical 3 over 2. That is the purpose of the reference angle. The only thing that we need to do is consider the sine. So for cosine, we know that cosine value is in second quadrant for cosine is the horizontal right here. In second quadrant is actually negative. So cosine will be negative in second quadrant. So we need to stick a negative sign back into the final answer. So final answer is actually negative radical 3 over 2 for the cosine of 5 pi over 6. End of problem.